Didn't see you there. Okay, I'm getting delusional. I'm tired.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. What's up, homegirl? What's good? So today I'm going to be just doing a pack and style with me video. I'm going to go back home for the weekend. If you guys don't know, let me catch you up real quick on my life. My family and Paul's family live in Maryland. Paul and I moved out on our own. He's in the military, so we moved to North Carolina. So right now we are in favor of North Carolina, but we both moved here from Maryland where both of our families reside, and we are going back home for the weekend. We're gonna get there really late Friday night, and then we'll be there all Saturday, leave Sunday afternoon because we both work on Monday. So yeah, I'm just gonna be packing for that. My family, Paul's family lives like in Maryland. My family is in Maryland, but we are literally 15 minutes from DC. So on Saturday, my sisters and I will probably have a really cute day just hanging around DC. And then Sunday, Paul has like a family event that we're going to. So yeah, that ought to be fun. Let's go ahead and start packing. We're gonna be packing makeup and outfit stuff. Okay, so let's start with makeup, just cause that's like the easiest. Why do I have one AirPod in right now? I'm tripping. I'm not even listening to nothing anymore. We're gonna start with makeup. Right now I have my makeup bag full of like a bunch of makeup, so I'm gonna empty that out carefully because I already have too much makeup on my carpet. Not going to be packing eyeshadow. I won't be wearing eyeshadow on this trip. So we're going to start from like the base up. That's how I pack my makeup, to make sure that I'm not forgetting anything, because you can be like, I need my brow pencil, I need my concealer, but like if you do it in order of your actual makeup routine, you will be sure that you're not forgetting anything. So first thing in my routine is brows. Lately I've been doing my brows with the NYX Precision Eye Pencil or the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream. I'm gonna bring this one because it's faster. I don't feel like doing my makeup for hours. So brows. Then I do concealer to like clean the brows. So my concealer is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm in the shade Cool Tan. I freaking stand the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Never paid more than $4 or $5 for one of these, and it's literally the best concealer. I keep going back to it, but I just remembered something. Because of the color that I am right now, I have like a little bit of a tan. I haven't been using this one. I'm bugging. I've been using my Instant Age Rewind. I'm gonna take this one instead. This is a little bit darker. The undertone is not as like white or like bright, if that makes sense. This one's darker, so I'm gonna be bringing this one, actually, the Instant Age Rewind, in the shade Caramel, because I got a tan. Then of course, foundation. This is nothing new, y'all already know. Look, it's literally almost empty. The Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation is the best thing that will ever happen to you or your skin, period. You could write on your face with a black Sharpie marker. Unless you're white, don't do it, that's blackface. You can write on your face with a black Sharpie marker, and this would cover it. This is full coverage while still being breathable and looking skin-like. That's why I love this foundation so much. Next, I will be needing to set my face. I don't set in the cooler months, but I don't know what it feels like in Maryland right now, but y'all, here in Fayetteville, North Carolina, it is no joke. Anybody who lives here can tell you this. It is 100 degrees and up every single day the last like 3 weeks. So I really need to set. Like, this heat ain't no joke. I feel like I'm in the Caribbeans or something. So LA Girl Pro Powder. Then I contour. I usually just contour my nose, but still, that's the next step. I'm taking the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette, packing that. And then blush is the most important. Obviously, I wear a lot of blush on a daily basis. I love blush. I'm obsessed with myself. Like the second I get the opportunity to look in the mirror, I take it. So ridiculous. So, blush. I don't use highlighter all the time, but when I do use it, I just do it on the tip of the nose. I'll pack this just because I like to highlight for special events sometimes, kinda. And then my top 3 favorite lip products right now, 2 NYX Butter Glosses and a Kiss lip liner. This lip liner works good with so many glosses, but definitely with these 2. So the one I have on right now is this one, Angel Food Cake, and then this one, Ginger Snap, is like more brown, but it's really cute. And I'm packing track glue. This is literally hair bonding glue, but the reason I use this is for my lashes. I know a lot of people are against it. Jackie, I know, was actually like, she said in a video of hers, she was like, what are you doing in your day-to-day life that you need to have your lashes stay on that bad? Like, you need track glue to keep your lashes on. It's just like, I cry a lot. I cry a lot. So I just need, that sounds funny, but I'm being serious. I cry a lot. So I just need a glue that is just going to like not fold on me, like never fold, 10 tones down, because if this glue can literally keep a track in your hair, then it can keep an eyelash on my eye. And then I'm just gonna grab all the brushes I'll need. I do the same method for that, like run through my routine and pick the brushes in order to make sure I'm not leaving anything. Oh, hey friends, didn't see you there. Didn't see you there. Okay, I'm getting delusional. I'm tired. Okay, so let's walk through these days, right? I'm going, it's gonna be a good time, gonna have so much fun, but we need to figure out what I'm gonna be wearing. So tomorrow I get off of work at 5:30, and then we probably will go straight to Maryland. So Jess, I get off at 5:30, and when I get off, I'm going to change into like a travel outfit. So for that, we just have, let me straighten this out. Black biker shorts. You can never go wrong with black biker shorts. If you know me, you know it is pretty much the only thing that I'm willing to wear on a day-to-day basis. I'm not even joking. I wear black biker shorts all the time, every day. Every time I shop, I'm picking up another pair because you cannot have enough. I could not do enough laundry unless I'm doing laundry every single day to always have clean biker shorts. So, black biker shorts and just a regular gray Forever 21 bodysuit. Just like a tank top bodysuit. That's all that's going on here. Next, we have clothes that I'm going to be wearing maybe Saturday when we go into DC. So these are my Saturday options right now. For bottoms, I have my favorite pair of little Daisy Duke shorts, light blue jeans. And then for tops, I have like this regular black crop top. It needs a lint roller, but this regular black crop top, it's like tied in the front. Or this black bodysuit. This looks better if I like show you guys a picture of what it looks like on, but this black bodysuit, super cute, really love it. And it's pretty new. I really love this bodysuit. But I feel like that's not enough shirt options for Saturday's afternoon or for Saturday. So I want to look at some, I'm gonna look at my closet real quick for some more shirts. Okay guys, I'm back. So I got some stuff. I think I'm gonna take the first black bodysuit I showed you guys out of the equation for now. First, for Saturday, I'm gonna bring another pair of shorts in case I feel like those are a little bit too short, a little bit too risque, because I feel funny about that sometimes. I don't ever mind being revealing, but those shorts are really short. So I'm gonna bring a regular, like a better regular length pair of shorts in case I'm feeling funny about that as an option. I'm going to bring this basic black square top like bodysuit, square top tank top style bodysuit, lime green bodysuit as an option, which I haven't worn in a while. I really love this. So yeah, for Saturday, I have the option between these two shorts or these light colored jeans, which I love, the square cut tank top style bodysuit, the regular black tie t-shirt crop top, or the green bodysuit. And for my arms, I'm going to bring like I forgot what I was saying. For my arms, like while I'm there, I have a black hoodie, but I'm gonna bring this cardigan I have. And then there's Sunday, which is pretty much like the whole reason that we're going on the trip is because of the family event that Paul has on Sunday. Now, it's not super formal, but it's a little formal. So I just picked out 3 dresses, and if I end up not wearing a dress, maybe I'll wear like nice shoes with jeans and like a black top or something. I don't know. I'm still figuring that out. It's this weekend, but I'm still figuring that out. I have this one dress. If I say one more time, unsubscribe. I have this green dress. I love it. I've worn it a few times. Y'all have seen me in it if you follow me on Insta. And I really love it. It's super form-fitting. If you look at the dress, even off, you can see like it is really like shaped nicely. And it's really comfortable. And if I put on like a nice pair of shoes with it, it could easily dress this up. This long to the thong. That's what me and my mom say when like somebody has like hair that's really long to the thong. But this really long black maxi-ish dress, because it cuts off at a really awkward place, like right here on the leg, like below the knee though, on the calf. And I really like it. And it looks really nice on semi-formal, dress it up, dress it down, you know, whatever. So this actually might be what I wear, but I still want to bring my other options with me. And I'm gonna show y'all the shoes that I'm gonna be bringing. So first, these are the dressier shoes, just because like I said, in case I need to dress up one of these dresses or dress up a pair of jeans or something. These nude little small heels, you know, I'm not bringing no stilettos, cute little thick heel. So yeah, something I can wear for a few hours if I'm trying to be a little cute, you know. And then I'm bringing my checkered Vans. If you're wondering what happened right here, my monster of a dog chewed right through them, literally. But they don't look that bad when I wear them, and I'm not about to replace them. I'm wearing these till the soles fall off, okay? Those are just to throw on. It might be raining in case I just don't want my toes to get wet. I hate wearing sandals in the rain, hate having wet toes. And then I'm bringing 2 pairs of sandals. These Birkenstock style sandals, I actually got these at Family Dollar for $6. Y'all better go get you some. These are my favorite sandals for the summer. I've been wearing them every day, and because they're like rubbery, if they get dirty, just hose them off, shawty. Easy. So yeah, $6 at Family Dollar. Ugh, I got so lucky. This was a steal. And then these black H&M flip-flops. I think I actually got these for like $3, because y'all know when stuff goes on sale at H&M, it don't even be on sale for like $10 or $20. It be on sale for like $2, $3, $1. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching with me. I had so much fun packing and styling and talking. It was so much fun. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I am doing a few more trips. I'm going to New York, and I'm going on a cruise to 4 different places. So if you guys want to see me style and or pack for that kind of stuff, or like for those trips, let me know. I'm sorry, I'm scatterbrained, I'm anxious and tired. What the heck is wrong with me? I'm sorry, I'm scatterbrained, I'm anxious and tired, and I need to eat and go to sleep already. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a like and a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Like, I'm hiccuping so bad, I'm sorry. Okay, bye.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in the struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different in the city I come from. All of a sudden I got people